Alright, what's up guys? So in this video I was going to show you, I was getting the engine ready to be taken out of the engine bay. I was just disconnecting and removing everything that needed to be taken off so it could be removed. It was my first time doing it, so I was just learning as I was going. It took me a while, which this engine isn't very hard to do. It's a very simple removal process. It's just, I was taking my time with it. And I'm taking the engine out because it was leaking so bad. Like, every seal on it was leaking oil. I was told that the engine was rebuilt, and it may have been, but it leaked more oil than it had in it. I was using a lot of oil, and it wasn't going through the exhaust. It was just dripping out of every seal on it. So that's why I'm taking the engine out. This is me showing just removing the engine with the engine hoist. It gave me a fit trying to get the engine out just because it got to where it wouldn't lift high enough and the ground was on very unlevel ground. And now I'm showing you how dirty and oily the engine was. Really bad. I did a lot of cleaning and I ended up painting the engine, but I don't think I videoed any of that. But as you can tell, it was really bad.